Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to buy your first DSLR camera, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is one of the best beginner-friendly options available. It combines a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, full HD video recording, built-in Wi-Fi, and Canon's easy-to-use controls, making it perfect for photography enthusiasts, students, travelers, and content creators. Let's start with image quality. The 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor captures sharp photos with vibrant colors and excellent detail. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, family events, or travel photos, the Rebel T7 consistently delivers impressive results that are a big step up from most smartphone cameras. Pause. The camera comes with the versatile Canon EFS 18-55mm IS2 kit lens, making it ideal for everyday photography. You can easily capture wide landscape shots, group photos, portraits, and close-up subjects without needing another lens right away. As your skills improve, Canon's large selection of compatible lenses allows you to expand your photography even further. For beginners, Canon has made this camera incredibly easy to use. The simple menu system, automatic shooting modes, and helpful on-screen guides let you start taking great photos almost immediately, while manual controls give you room to learn professional photography techniques over time. Pause. The Rebel T7 also records full HD 1080p videos, making it suitable for YouTube videos, school projects, travel vlogs, and family memories. While it doesn't offer 4K recording, the full HD video quality is still clear, smooth, and more than enough for most beginners. Another useful feature is the built-in Wi-Fi. You can quickly transfer photos to your smartphone using Canon's app, making it easy to share your favorite shots on Instagram, Facebook, or other social media platforms without needing a computer. Battery life is another advantage. A single charge easily lasts through hundreds of photos, making it reliable for vacations, day trips, and special events without constantly worrying about recharging. Pause. The main drawback is that it lacks 4K video and has a basic autofocus system compared to newer mirrorless cameras. But for someone learning photography, these limitations are easy to overlook considering its excellent image quality and affordable price. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use DSLR that delivers beautiful photos, dependable performance, and room to grow as a photographer, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 remains one of the best beginner cameras you can buy. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.